So this is our old fan we're gonna replace. We just got a new one. This one's falling apart. The light's not working very properly. You got handles that we don't like. We want the remote. So let's go ahead and set up the new fan and see how it looks. Today we're gonna bring our fan. We're removing the old one right now. We're setting up this new one. Now this one includes the actual controller base, right? So you do have a remote control. You have the instructions. You have an LED light. We're gonna set it up and see how beautiful it looks.
So we got everything put together. This is a cover that's gonna go on the top. This spins around. If you hold it here, it doesn't move, but the spindles are right here. So just you don't get scared that it doesn't work.
That's perfect. There he goes. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on first time. Turn it on and there it is. Now we got this controller here. On the controller, like I said, you could turn on light off and on. And then you could turn on the fan, all right? And of course, you could switch the colors. See, like I turned it off and on. It's gonna switch colors too. 2 different colors, 3 colors, right? There you go. My favorite is gonna be this one right here. We're gonna keep it as this one. When I put fan, we're gonna say number 1, and look at that. Number 1, we're gonna go all the way to 6. 6. And you hear that beeping sound, you could turn it off to the beeping sound, but we're gonna put it on level 6. And right now it's gonna spin off, level 6. Look at that. Oh, that feels so wonderful right now, especially because it's hot today. Great air, strong fan. It won't move or anything, it's adjusted. We took out the old one that was falling apart. It had the hanging cables. We don't have that no more. We have a remote control here, and you could set up your sounds. You could turn off your sound. You could turn on your fan, level fan 1 through 6, and you could turn them all off too by hitting the all off. All right, but we're gonna keep the light on. We're gonna go back to the same light that we liked, and then we're gonna leave it at level 6 too. So very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.